What's up guys, Lazy Money UK here, cashing out my $20 reward from the OnePulse app. And there it is, another $20 in my bank account. If you've tried other survey apps like Curious Cat, you might have noticed that the payouts are insultingly low relative to the length of the surveys. OnePulse aims to change all that by exclusively featuring micro surveys called pulses. Unlike other survey apps which have long and boring surveys, pulses are at least mildly interesting and can be completed within seconds. The micro-surveys are only 1 to 3 questions long and pay you a set amount for their completion. The amount you get per pulse starts at 7 cents, but quickly increases as you gain experience points and level up. Once you've maxed out, you'll be getting 40 cents per pulse. You get some XP by doing the paid pulses, but there are also some optional unpaid pulses to do if you want to level up faster. Here's me reaching level 26, so I can now get 32 cents per pulse. While this is undoubtedly the best survey app I've ever used, it's still let down by a few things. The paid pulse notifications will appear on your phone by surprise throughout the day, and you will need to drop whatever you're doing to answer it right away. If you're not quick enough, the respondent quota will fill up and you won't be able to participate. I tend to get 1 to 3 of these notifications every weekday. The app often loads slowly or glitches out, which can cause you to miss out on your chance to answer the pulse. If this happens, you may be able to open the pulse again manually from the notification or the main menu. The minimum cash out requirement used to be $5, but this was raised to $20 during the lockdown. The longer wait to cash out detracts from the instantaneous feel which the app is going for. Once you reach $20 and cash out, however, the PayPal payment is processed very quickly indeed. Taking everything into account, I definitely recommend that you use OnePulse as part of your lazy money making strategy. The app is available internationally and uses US dollars as its universal currency. I've left some links for the iOS and Android apps in the description if you'd like to start earning some easy money yourself. As always, thanks for supporting the channel by liking, subscribing and watching until the end. Comment down below with your experience of OnePulse. See you next time.